Good morning students, this is Monica from SKM Public School. So today we will discuss the topic shift and movements in demand curve. So shifts and movement. Shift means the whole demand curve shift. Either it increase or decrease. And movement means along with the demand curve there is change in the quantity demanded of a particular commodity. Okay. So as in earlier video we talk about the law of demand that it states there is an inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. So there was negative relation, negative slope, we can say demand curve slope downward, okay. But when demand curve fails, then the slope of the demand curve is upward, because price of a commodity is increasing, then its demand is also increasing. That we have discussed in the case of social distinction good, we can say in case of the person who is habitual of consuming that particular commodity, and we can say when climate and other factor change, okay. So now we will discuss that how demand curve change. So demand curve change, that it change, there is change in quantity demanded and other is change in demand, okay. Here there is change in quantity demanded of a particular commodity, means किसी commodity की जो demand है उसकी quantity reduce हो रही है या increase हो रही है, but here change in demand means our demand curve shift upward or backward, okay. So change in quantity demanded means movement along demand curve, कि डिमांड कर्व हमारा वही रहेगा, उसके में क्या है मूवमेंट्स हो जाएगी, या तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, ये एक्सटेंशन हो जाएगा इसका, ओके. सो देयर इज एक्सटेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ डिमांड. सो क्वेश्चन इन एग्जाम कैन बी व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिमांड, ओके. सो एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिमांड मीन्स देयर इज decrease in the price of the commodity, then quantity demanded is increasing. As law of demand state that there is a negative relation between quantity demanded and price, okay. So there is decrease in the price of the commodity, it means the price of the commodity is decreasing, it means the particular quantity demanded of that commodity will increase, so that is called extension of demand, okay. Then contraction, what is contraction of demand? Causes by increase in the price of the commodity. So here price of the commodity increase, it means the quantity demanded of that particular commodity decrease, so that is called contraction of demand, okay. We have discussed two things, extension of demand and contraction. Extension means when price of the commodity decreasing, then obviously as law of demand state that people will prefer more quantity, okay. अगर किसी commodity का जो price है वो कम हो जाएगा तो लोग क्या करेंगे, उस commodity को ज़्यादा demand करेंगे, तो there is increase in the quantity demanded of that commodity. For example, जो पोटैटो है उनका प्राइस पहले 100 रुपीज़ पर केजी था, अभी 20 रुपीज़ पर केजी हो गया, तो इट मीन्स जो उसकी डिमांड है टमाटो की वो क्या है, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिमांड, ओके. एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स अगर प्राइस 100 से 200 हो जाता है, 150 हो गया, तो जो लोग पहले 100 में अफोर्ड कर पा रहे थे, जब प्राइस इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा तो द पीपल हु कैन नॉट अफोर्ड दे विल नॉट डिमांड, okay. It means the demand for that particular commodity will decrease, so that is called contraction in demand, okay. So here we will discuss with the diagram. Firstly we will talk about the extension of demand. So change movement along the demand curve, we have two types, contraction and extension. So firstly we will discuss extension of demand curve, okay. Extension, for example, earlier price of the commodity is 5 and quantity demanded is 1. When price of the commodity become 1, then quantity demanded is 5. So how we will show this on O-axis we will take quantity, on OY axis we will show price. So when price of the commodity is 5, then quantity demanded is 1. When price of the commodity is 1, then quantity demanded is 5. So what is this? This is our extension of demand, okay, DD. This is our demand curve. So this is called extension of demand. Extension of demand is due to decrease in the price of the commodity. So this is extension of demand, okay. So here earlier price is 5, then quantity demanded is 1. When price decrease it become 1, then quantity demanded increase. It means the demand curve is same. There is no change in the demand curve. Demand curve is same, but there is change in quantity demanded of that commodity. So this is the change along the, we can say, movement along the demand curve. Okay, so this is called extension of demand curve. Now we have contraction of the demand curve. Now we will show contraction of demand curve. Okay. So contraction of demand curve is due to decrease in the increase in the price of the commodity. Okay. Contraction of demand curve. Contraction. So earlier price of the commodity is 1, then quantity demanded is 5. When price of the commodity increase, here price of the commodity increase, it means the quantity demanded will decrease. It can be 1, 2, you can take anything, but you have to show either it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, अगर हमारा प्राइस बढ़ रहा है तो इट मीन जो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड है वो क्या है, डिक्रीज हो रही है. अगर हमारा प्राइस कम हो रहा होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, क्वांटिटी को इंक्रीज करते हैं. ओके, सो दैट शुड बी केप्ट इन माइंड. Now we will show this with the help of diagram. On o-axis we will show quantity. On o-axis we will show quantity. Here we will show the price of the commodity. So on y-axis we are showing price. On o-axis we are showing quantity of the commodity. Okay. So this is firstly we will take this table. When price is 1, then quantity demanded is 5. When price of the commodity become 5, then quantity demanded is 1. Okay, 1 and 5. When price is 1, it is 5. So what is this? Earlier we are taking, we can give the name OD. Okay, now we are consuming OD1. It means our quantity decreased from 5 to 1. So this is our decrease in the quantity of that commodity. Okay, so this is called, this is our DD, this is DD, and this is called contraction of demand curve. Contraction of demand. Contraction of demand curve. Okay, so contraction of demand curve is due to increase in the price of the commodity. When price of the commodity increase, then quantity demanded of that particular commodity will decrease. Now we will discuss shift in demand curve. Okay, here we have talked about the change, we can say, in demand curve, movement along the demand curve. कि demand curve में ही changes हो रही है. Now we will talk about the shift कि हमारा पूरा जो demand curve है वही shift हो जाएगा. It will shift backward or forward. So it will depend on the factor that why it will slope forward, why it will shift forward, and why it will shift backward. So we will discuss this. Okay, shift in demand curve. So shift in demand curve is not because of the change in the price of the commodity. Okay, shift in demand curve is due to change in the other factor than over price of the commodity. Okay, जो shift है demand curve में वो किस वजह से होती है, प्राइस की वजह से ना होगी, अदर जो फैक्टर है. इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ डिमांड, कि डिमांड को कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं जो कि इफेक्ट करते हैं. सो वी हैव डिस्कस प्राइस ऑफ द रिलेटेड गुड्स, सब्स्टिट्यूट गुड्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड्स, इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर, क्लाइमेट, फैशन, taste and preferences. So these are the other determinants that affect the demand. Okay, so here we will talk about that there is shift in demand due to the other factor. Okay, so price will remain constant and the demand will change. Why? Because this is not due to the price of the commodity. This is due to the other factor. So first we will discuss decrease in demand. Okay, decrease in demand. So decrease in demand is here due to other factor. For example, now it is summer. Okay, so there will be no demand of winter clothes. तो फैशन क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, विंटर चल रही है, समर चल रही है, तो विंटर के जो क्लॉथ्स हैं उनकी डिमांड कोई नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो वट एवर द प्राइस दैट विल नॉट इफेक्ट द डिमांड ऑफ द कमोडिटी, बट क्लाइमेट इज इफेक्टिंग. कि हमारा क्लाइमेट अगर चेंज हो जाएगा, एकदम से अगर सर्दी आ जाती है, तो जो उनका प्राइस कुछ भी है हमें परचेज करने पड़ेंगे वुलन. ओके, लेकिन अभी गर्मी है तो उसका प्राइस कुछ भी है, दैट इज नॉट इफेक्टिंग द कमोडिटी डिमांड, बट द क्लाइमेट इज इफेक्टिंग. सो अदर फैक्टर क्या होगा हमारा, क्लाइमेट हो गया. ठीक है, सो दैट विल ड्यू टू दैट अगर क्लाइमेट चेंज हो गया तो डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. देन अदर फैक्टर वी कैन से इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. इफ इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर डिक्रीज, अगर कंज्यूमर की इनकम डिक्रीज हो जाती है तो क्या वो ज्यादा कमोडिटी परचेज करेगा? ऑब्वियसली नो. द कंज्यूमर विल रिड्यूस हिज परचेजिंग पावर. जो अपनी वो परचेजिंग जो कंजप्शन है उसको रिड्यूस कर देगा, सो उसकी डिमांड है वो कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो हियर वी विल टॉक फॉर एग्जांपल इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. दिस इज इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर डिक्रीज, then the demand for the commodity will decrease. For example, the price of one ice cream is 10 rupees. Okay, here we are showing price, here we are showing quantity demanded. So price of the commodity is 10, quantity demanded, this is demand curve. Okay, so this is quantity demanded. Now the income of the consumer reduce, so the consumer will reduce हर कंजप्शन, वो अपना कंजप्शन रिड्यूस कर देगा. सो ड्यू टू डिक्रीज इन द इनकम देयर इज बैकवर्ड शिफ्ट इन द डिमांड कर्व. ओके, इट विल बिकम DD1. पहले वो 2 कोण ले रहा था, अभी एक ही कोण ले रहा है. सो द डिमांड कर्व शिफ्ट बैकवर्ड, it shift from DG to DD1. So this is decrease in demand. It is not because of the change in the price of the commodity, but it is due to the other factors. Okay, then we have increase in demand. Okay, then we have increase in demand. Increase in demand. So increase in demand is also due to the other factor. On O-axis we are showing quantity. On OY axis we will show the price of the commodity. So it is also due to the other factor. So price is constant. Earlier price is 50 rupees. Okay, and this is our DD, demand curve. So when income of the consumer increase, here the income of the consumer increase, so obviously the consumer will purchase more goods. Okay, so earlier the consumer is taking 2 units of the commodity. Now income of the consumer increase, price is same, but income of the consumer increase, then he will purchase more goods. So demand curve will shift forward. जो हमारा डिमांड कर्व है वो फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल बिकम फ्रॉम 2 to 4. अब अगर कंज्यूमर है उसकी इनकम इंक्रीज होगी तो वो अपनी जो क्वांटिटी है उसको इंक्रीज कर देगा. सो दैट विल इंक्रीज द डिमांड, and the demand curve will shift from DG to DD1. So this is increase in demand. So increase and decrease, or we can say shift in demand, is due to the other factor than oven price of the commodity. Okay, so students, we have discussed about the movement and shift in demand curve. So practice this diagram table in your notebook, and also read from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.